Hello guys, today I'm going to make a stir-fry eggplant. So with tuna. Open this tuna. This is my very old can opener, but I love it because it's very useful. So now we're going to strain the water for this tuna.
Everyone, now I'm going to strain the tuna. Strain it to take off the fluids. Okay, I have strained it, but this fluids I need to separate this for later. Here, strain it. Now we are going to slice the tomato. One piece of tomato.
So now I'm going to put this on the plate.
Now the red pepper.
Now the onion leaves, onion spring to cut half. The onions I use 1/2 only. So these are the rest of the ingredients. I have minced garlic, tomato, and red pepper, 1/2 onions, and onion spring. That's it. Let's take it at this thing. Get it at this side.
Then you have to cut half. And you have to cut lengthwise.
So I use 3 pieces of eggplant, Asian eggplant here. So now I'm going to wash really good. Wash again. I already washed, but I need to wash. So these are the ingredients. So this is the ingredients. This is the canned tuna, and then it's strained here, but I don't wanna throw away the water or the fluids of the tuna. And then eggplant, sesame seeds, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and minced garlic, onion, tomato, red pepper, and half of onions. So these are ingredients. We are going to put the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So now I'm going to saute the minced 2 tablespoons of garlic. And 1/2 of onion. And mix as well. Mix them, then the tomatoes, 1 piece of small tomatoes. Mix it well. And then the tuna. Mix it really good. 2 tablespoons of black pepper. Cover it in 2 minutes. And then I need to put 1 tablespoon of vinegar, which to the stink, get rid of the smell. And then the red pepper. Smell good, guys. I'll simmer it into 3 minutes. Now, let's check.
So I'm going to put the eggplant. And then the sauce of the tuna, I will pour here. And mix them well. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce.
Simmer it until the eggplant is cooked. Look at that. I need to taste, making sure that it's yummy. Check, making sure the eggplant is good. Two minutes to go. So now I'm going to check. Okay. So the eggplant is cooked, and I need to put the onion spring. It's yummy. Almost ready. Okay, it's ready, guys. Now I'm going to pour transfer the plate. Hello guys, it's done. The eggplant is all done, so I need to sprinkle only like tablespoon of sesame oil. And a sprinkle of sesame seeds. It's lunga. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel in YouTube, Asian Cooking with MJ, and in my FB is Cooking Asian Cooking with MJ and Black. Don't forget to subscribe Asian Cooking with MJ. Like, share, and comment. And thank you for all your support to those who subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And I hope to those who don't subscribe yet, please subscribe now. So if you want to see more recipe and in my FB, you can follow me in Cooking with MG and Black. Thank you very much.